look what Lowe's finally has in stock. Buy the tool, get the 5 amp hour for free. I didn't think they were ever going to have it in my area because it's been unavailable since this deal started in February or whatever it was, March. So we got the impact driver. You can get, sorry, they're cutting trees down the block, of course. When I want to record, they're cutting a tree down. 3.5. So this is a pretty good deal, guys. 99 bucks for this, so you get 3 batteries and the drill, impact, I mean, for $99. So let's crack this bad boy open and see what we got. Uh-oh. That was too easy. Please tell me this isn't a return item. I hate getting return items. Okay, looks good, looks good. Instructions. When you see the stuff in plastic, you know it's not a return item. I'm gonna take the charger out and start charging this thing right away. So, finish this, see the impact driver. I love this impact driver. I filmed this one before and it's so little and compact. I really like this impact driver, guys. If you're interested, check out the video. I'll put up at the top here, the card. And of course, you get the 2 little tubes and the world's smallest tote bag. So let's crack this guy open here. Alright guys, this is my little safety advisor. When you're cutting open packages like this, these clamshells, don't use sharp knives like this. When I got my Milwaukee M12, I was so excited, I was cutting into it like this. My knife slid through the plastic like butter and I stabbed myself right in the leg and I had to get 5 stitches. I'll post a link above if you guys want to see that video of me stabbing myself in the leg. Just like this. Oh, almost. See, these clamshells are so freaking tough to get open. Gotta use a damn trauma shears to get them out. Alright. Come charged up. 1 bar. Oh, look at that. Nice. Alright, that's pretty low. Let's pop that on the charger. Check out one of these little tubes. I have some fully charged up tubes in the house. I just don't want to run inside right now. See what we got. It's got 1 bar. Guys, if you've never tried the Dewalt 12-volt extreme stuff, it's pretty nice. I have a couple of videos. I did the hammer drill driver against the Milwaukee, and I also did this one against the Milwaukee. And I'm going to do the Dewalt screwdriver against the Milwaukee drill coming up, and then this one. So there you go, guys. I just want to do a quick little unboxing for you. Good deal. They finally got the stuff in the store, so go check them out. Yeah, I've been watching Lowe's weekly to get this deal, and they're finally out. I'm so excited. All right, guys, that's all I got for you. Unless you want to watch me put on my belt clip. There you go, guys. That's how you do it. Don't use a drill or impact to put these belt clips on. I did that with my Milwaukee Gen 3 and it's freaking snapped right off. So my Milwaukee Gen 3 hammer drill driver doesn't have a belt clip on it because I broke the goddamn thing. Needs a charge.